Alright, hey, this is Hans. It's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. Today we've got something from Japan. This is an Umai crate. It's a monthly subscription box. You can check them out over at Japan Crate. Use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. Let's crack it open, see what's inside. Okay, first thing you'll notice, this is the July 2019 Umai crate. And the first thing we're going to check out is this pamphlet. It has information about everything you get in this box, including cooking instructions, so make sure not to lose it. And then you also get a recipe card. They've been doing this the past few months. That sounds interesting. Udon croquettes. Alright, so the first thing we've got today is some udon with yuzu. Yuzu is a citrus fruit from Japan. It gives a kind of effervescent, aromatic, not extremely, it's not like you're gonna have some noodles with orange juice per se, but usually it'll have a bonito broth. Let's see what it has to say. A refreshing cup of udon with soft noodles and a Japanese style soup containing salmon, kelp, and soy sauce. Next up, we've got something from Itsuki, and these are cold lemon Chinese noodles. In Japan, ramen shops start to add hayashi chuka to their menus in the summertime. Hayashi chuka is a fusion between ramen and salad. It is a flavorful, chilled noodle dish, and now you can make your own. Next up is soba dape. This bowl of soba noodles pack a strong buckwheat flavor. They soak in a dashi-based soup, and the flavor is accented with fried tofu and seaweed. And this is a part of a DIY recipe that comes this month. This is banshu hoso udon. And so you take this and you pair it with this, which is kamatama udon soy sauce. Kamatama udon is a classic way to enjoy noodles. The warm noodles are tossed in sauce, dashi, and egg. Now you can make 3 servings of it. Just add an egg and udon to this rich soy sauce based kamatama sauce. So yeah, they do this a lot. There's like a noodle and a sauce, and then you just put it together and there you go. Next up, we've got cold tanuki udon. So what's tanuki udon? Well, first off, it's cold. Do it hot in here, but then you're gonna have like some sprinkles that have tempura. So you'll rinse the noodles with cold water, and then you'll garnish it with, the tempura bits. So you got a little bit of crunch. You've got a cold thing going on. Usually these are like a little bit sweet, a little bit tangy. Usually not too bad. Alright, now for me, this is the highlight of the pack. Other people might like other things better, but looking at this, I'm fascinated by this. This is Marushan cold ramen. Hayashi chuka ramen again. This dish is such a tasty summertime staple that you have to eat it as much as you can while you can. The chilled noodles and sauce are included, so just add your favorite toppings. One thing you'll see too is, notice the blue? And look how it's arranged. This reminds me of bibimbap or bibimen, the Korean varieties. Look how it's all arranged and it's blue. That's just kind of the thing with summer dishes. They seem to be, summer cold noodles are blue. Del Monte, this is panto gazpacho. Enjoy this cold gazpacho soup as a veggie boost on a hot day. It has a tomato-based and additional seasoning of onion, green pepper, olive oil, garlic, and lemon juice. Try it with bread as a topping to pizza or noodles. Interesting. I would never expected something from Del Monte coming in a box from Japan, but there's a lot of big brands that go all over the place. And finally, hold on to your butts, kids. It's the bonus item. What is the bonus item this month? Katsuobushi. Enjoy these conveniently packaged bonito flakes. Add them to your meal or noodles halfway through to change the flavor. They're also a great seasoning to rice. Alright, so in this, the July 2019 Umai crate, you get gazpacho soup, hayashi ramen, sauce, udon, which loves to be in sauce, dape soba, cold noodle, yuzu udon, katsuobushi, a recipe card, and your pamphlet, and you'll hate yourself if you lose it. So don't freaking lose it. Well, thank you to the folks over at Umai Crate. If you go to japancrate.com, you can check all this stuff. And don't forget to use the coupon code. Alright, well hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.